Now, if you live in the tropics, example Nigeria, okay, I'm currently in Nigeria, you will agree with me that the weather is so hot. When I say hot, everybody is sweating, everywhere is so dusty. Like you can even see yourself betting up to 3 times in a day. That is how hot the weather is over here. Now, some persons will be like, see, I'm not sure I can continue with this skincare thing because of the weather. Like the weather is so hot, I wouldn't want to start applying anything on my skin. See, sometimes I feel that way too. But the interesting thing about skincare is that you tweak your skincare according to the weather. The weather can also have a say on the kind of product you are to use on your skin. Yes, as this weather is, you can decide to leave out some products in your routine. You must not do all the steps. You must not start layering every single thing on your skin. Okay, so calm down. You can still do your skincare even in this hot weather. This is the time of the year that you should marry your sunscreen. What do I mean? You should always use your sunscreen. Why? Because the sun is currently at its peak. Everywhere is hot. Everybody is sweating. Okay, so your sunscreen, and then you also have to make sure that you are double cleansing. This is the period you should get a micellar water, get a cleansing balm, a cleansing oil. Yes. Why? Because the dust in the environment is enough for you to say, okay, yes, I want to include micellar water in my routine. Okay, your face wash might just not do the work for you. Now I'll tell you what I do at night while taking my bath. I use my face wash twice. Now I'm going to tell you why I do this. Reason I do this is because my micellar water is not close by. Okay, it's not handy at the moment, and I have an oily acne prone skin, so my face might just tolerate me using it twice on my face. But if you have a dry skin, I'm not going to advise you to do this. Remember, the reason I'm doing this is because my micellar water is not close. So don't go and start doing it simply because you heard me saying it. No, I'm just telling you what I do, and I don't even do it every night. My routine is has never been complicated. I don't have a complicated routine. What do I mean? My routine is not that routine that you will find a lot of products in. No. At most, at night, I just use one toner, serum, moisturizer, and I'm good. Yes, I don't really have a lot of products I'm using on my skin. For morning periods, my morning has always been hydrating mornings for me. Nothing serious, just hydration, hydration. My gentle cleanser, my hydrating toner, my moisturizer, and sunscreen. But if you're that type of person that sweats a lot and you have a lot of products in your routine, you might just want to remove some products if they make you sweat more. Okay, so you must not necessarily start layering every single thing on your skin. I know that moisturizers is a must, it is one of the basics in skincare, but I've also learned that some sunscreens are very moisturizing. Yes, there are some sunscreens that can also help to moisturize your skin. So if you are one of those persons who have such sunscreens, you might just want to leave out your moisturizer. Yes, cleanse tone. If you're going to use a serum, you use a sunscreen. Just that sunscreen is okay. And of course, reapply sunscreen. Remember what I said, that the sun is at its peak. Everywhere is hot. Like everywhere, you can easily get sunburnt if you're not careful. This is not that time of the year to start wearing sleeveless clothes, revealing clothes. No. Instead of wearing sleeveless, revealing clothes, why don't you wear a well protected cloth but is lightweight? Like, don't go and wear a cardigan, a very thick clothes. No. Just see what I'm wearing. In as much as it is covering my body, but this cloth is very light. This is the kind of thing you should wear in this weather. Okay? Now, let's come over to your body routine. I am going to be very sincere with you. You see that your shower gel, you see your beauty cream, bar soaps, and the rest, right? Good. In all sincerity, they might not do it for you in this weather. This is that time of the year where you use your Dettol soap, where you use your Tecmosol, you see that's your safeguard. Just antibacterial soaps in general, those your antibacterial bar soaps. This is the best time to use it. I'm going to give you my reasons. Remember, as I said, everywhere is dusty. So you need to make sure that whatever you are using on your skin is cleansing your skin. Now, as an antibacterial soap, it is going to make sure that whatever bacteria in the environment, okay, which is resting on your skin, that soap is helping to kill the bacteria or cleanse your skin thoroughly. Now, if you cannot do with just antibacterial soaps, you can use your antibacterial soaps for pre-cleansing. Then you use that your shower gel, okay, or that's your Dove cream bar soap as the next cleanser. But if you feel like your shower gel is okay, it's still okay. I'm just saying this is what I do. Now, my shower gel, I have even dumped it. What I use now is my Technosol soap. Yes, that is what I'm currently using for my body, not face, please, for my body. Okay, because I want that thorough cleansing because the weather is everywhere is dirty. Do you get? I don't know. You must not do what I do. I'm just saying. I'm just trying to tell you guys what I do. After cleansing, the next is going to be your lotion. Now, you see that lightweight lotion you've been running away from? This might just be the best time to use it, especially if you're that kind of person who sweats easily. Like any little thing makes you sweat. So you might just want to use more of very, very lightweight lotions. And for your oils, in all sincerity, if you have a normal skin type like me, let me just be truthful with you guys. The last time I used my body oil was sometime in January. Yes, that was the last time I used my body oil. I don't have a dry skin. You only see me using body oils during that harmattan, like that period that day harmattan is still very, very out. Now the harmattan is not really there. Okay, there is just no much cold. There is no cold. Everywhere is hot. So I don't even see the essence of using body oils. But if you have a dry skin, this might not be the same for you. Okay, I'm talking from the view of someone with a normal skin type on the body. If you have a dry skin, you might not do what I'm doing. Okay, I use my, even though the lotion I'm currently using is kind of thick, I use the Nivea Vitamin C Natural Glow body lotion or cream. I'm going to leave the picture. It is not really a lightweight lotion, just like Nivea Radiant and Beauty or the Johnson's Vita Rich. No, it's not as runny as it is not runny. There's no point saying runny as it is not running. So I'm just using it because I can't afford to start getting another lotion again at this point. Do you get good? But had it been when I still had small cash with me, I would have just dumped that cream for now and get a lightweight lotion. So if you are someone who can still splurge on a lightweight lotion at the moment and you know that your body needs it, please get it. When it comes to you getting your oils, I'm going to advise that you use lightweight oils. Seriously, this is not the best time to start using those thick oils. You see those gels? No, it's not. It's not. Except your skin has lost it all. Because of course, what is good for my skin might not be good for your skin, okay? I'm just trying to consider the weather. All right. So this is not, in my opinion, this is not the best time to use body gels. No, look for very lightweight oils. Oils that once you apply it on your skin, it's going to sink in almost immediately. You don't need something to sit on your skin for God knows how long. No, if you must use any oil, make sure that that oil is a very lightweight oil. Oil that once you apply it on your skin is going to readily absorb. That is what you need at the moment. All right. So this is me just coming here to tell you that even with the hot weather, you can still do your skincare. Don't go and abandon your skincare products because the weather is hot. Don't do that. Because if you don't use your sunscreen, you're going to get burnt. I promise you. You see this weather? Hey, you are going to get burnt. So make sure that even if you're not going to do anything in your routine, hmm, after washing your face, you can just allow your face to dry down, then use a sunscreen. Yes, this can pass. After washing your face thoroughly, allow it to dry down. That is if you have a moisturizing sunscreen. Oh, that is if you remember, that is if you have a moisturizing sunscreen. But if your sunscreen is not moisturizing enough, please, after washing your face, get a lightweight moisturizer. Okay, apply, allow it to dry down, then use your sunscreen. Sunscreen is a must. Sunscreen is a must. It's not something you say I don't want to use. No, the weather already is telling you use that sunscreen. All right, so see you in my next video. Bye.